welcome to Real Living in the Triangle. If you haven't been to my channel before, I'm Heather Gower, a realtor here in the Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina area. Let's talk a little bit of what you should fix and should not fix, update, or repair when selling your home. Too many sellers pour money into things that actually won't increase their home's value in the eyes of the buyer. And here's the kicker: the typical consumer isn't looking at the great updates of your home. They're just comparing your home's price to the square footage of the one that's sold down the street. Fix anything that's broken: leaky faucets, cracked tiles, peeling paint, worn out carpet, refreshed with natural paint colors. This makes a huge difference. It's important to also create the best curb appeal because first impression is going to be the last impression. So now, here's where sellers often waste their money. Major renovations right before listing. You won't get your money back if you add new windows, uh, leaf gutter guards, unless your home needs those things. Adding it just because you think it does isn't going to add value to your home. Fancy upgrades. Buyers might not even notice that you have a full house generator or that you just added a fancy new screen porch. They only see what is there at the present. And don't over personalize the decor. You want to keep it as neutral and natural as possible. Sometimes buyers have a hard time seeing over the extravagance of a home. I hope you found this video to be helpful. I do have a brochure that will help you get your home ready to sell. Just send me your information and I'll send it to you either via email or snail mail. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on buying and selling in the Triangle. And I'll see you.